Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
昨天
today,
今天
tomorrow,
明天
now,
现在
home,
家
work,
工作
friend,
朋友
family,
家人
here,
这里
there,
那里
this,
这个
that,
那个
day,
日子
people,
人
and,
和
but,
但是
because,
因为
to do,
做
to go,
去
to be,
是
to have,
有
to want,
想
to see,
看
to come,
来
to say,
说
Quiz time.
来来那里那里
The answer is,
现在现在家家
the correct answer is,
去去朋友朋友
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.